the three marks of a Christian. Number one, koinonia. Koinonia means community. Community with God, your relationship with God, community with people. We build relationships. Number two po, diakonia. Service. Are you serving God? Do you have time for God to serve God? Please don't forget this. Pay back time. What are you doing the rest of your life? Magpayaman pa rin, magpasikat lang, komportable lang, Father. No. The rest of my life, the best of my life. You ask yourself, baka may magawa pa ako in terms of my time, my talents, and my treasures. And finally, the third mark of all of us baptized is kerygma. Proclamation, witnessing, that you spread the faith. You spread the presence of God. Are you doing something para maramdaman ng mga taong presensya niya through you? You be a joyful, happy, smiling person. You're already proclaiming the presence of a loving God.